Welcome to our video on navigating the adjustment of status for F1 students who are married to U.S. citizens. In today's video, we'll explore whether to apply for a green card now or wait, weighing all the factors involved. Here's what we will cover in this video. First, we'll look into some key considerations. Next, we will discuss the timing of the application. We'll also cover risk assessment, and finally, consulting with an attorney. In this section, we are going to look at some key considerations that might impact your decision on whether to apply for a green card immediately or to wait. One major consideration is traffic violations. Minor traffic violations like running a red light or having expired tags generally do not disqualify someone from obtaining a green card. However, it is vital to address any outstanding issues and ensure full compliance with all legal requirements. Another key factor in your decision is the timing of your application. If you've been married for less than 2 years when your green card is approved, your spouse will initially receive a conditional green card valid for 2 years. After this period, they will have to apply to remove the conditions to get a permanent 10-year green card. Conversely, if you've been married for 2 or more years by the time the green card is approved, the 10-year green card is issued directly, avoiding a second application. It's incredibly important to consult with an immigration attorney who can provide you with tailored advice. Discuss any anxieties you may have regarding the process and provide them with all relevant details about your circumstances, which will allow them to render the best advice possible. Let's test your knowledge. What type of green card does an F1 student receive if they've been married for less than 2 years? Is it A, a conditional 2-year green card, B, a direct 10-year green card, C, permanent residency, or D, a non-resident visa? You may pause the video now to think about your answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is A, a conditional 2-year green card. If the marriage has lasted less than 2 years at the time of approval, the student receives a conditional green card valid for 2 years. Risk assessment is another vital part of this process. While there is always some risk, it's important to note that reported visa revocations have primarily targeted individuals with more severe legal issues, like DUIs. If your spouse has a clean record, the risk of waiting a couple of months may be relatively low. Always discuss any concerns with your attorney. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, understand the main factors that could influence your decision. Be mindful of the timing for your application in relation to your marriage duration. It is always best to consult an attorney who can give tailored advice. Lastly, assess the risks specific to your situation, particularly if there are any legal issues. Thank you so much for watching our video on navigating the adjustment of status for F1 students. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.